Hey folks, Adam here. Well, I was recording with one of my studio cameras recently. When I was done, I just popped the SD card out, and unfortunately, I did so too quickly. I corrupted one of the video files, and it was a really important file to me. Oh no, what do I do? Now, I'm sure you've had that situation before. I've done it with dash cams. Oh, that was an important clip. Pop out the SD card, corrupt the file. Same thing with security cameras. We've all had issues with corrupted video files. So I did some research because I want to know, what do I do in that scenario? That's where I looked into Stellar Data Recovery. Now, I've used Stellar Data Recovery before for files, but I specifically wanted to check out video and photo issues. So folks, we're going to walk you through this, help you decide if this is the right tool for you, give you some additional information, and we're going to kick it off right now. So folks, this is a technology company best known for their data recovery, file repair, and system optimization software. The company develops tools designed to help individuals and businesses recover deleted or corrupted files from hard drives, SSDs, memory cards, RAID systems, and other storage devices. Their products include things like repair utilities for damaged photos, videos, emails, databases, along with data migration and disk management solutions. I love the fact that they've been operating for years and they're widely recognized in the IT industry for their software aimed at restoring inaccessible data after hardware failure, accidental deletion, corruption, and of course, formatting issues. Of course, they're trusted by various Fortune 500 companies: Google, Amazon, Coca-Cola, Microsoft, IBM, FedEx, Whirlpool, McDonald's, and even HP. Now for me, I'm very cautious when it comes to installing software or using any online software to recover my data. I don't want people having access to that data. I don't want any issues with malware, ransomware, or questionable executable files. So we ran virus checks. We checked with Reddit. We even had ChatGPT do a check on everything that Stellar has to offer. And I gotta tell you, they came back with flying colors. It made me feel safer about using their software. Again, we've used them in the past, but we did all the checks and everybody came back saying they're fantastic. So folks, Stellar's online video repair is a web-based tool designed to fix damaged, corrupted, or unplayable video files directly in your browser. Users can upload broken video files such as MOVs, AVIs, etc., and other popular formats, and the software attempts to repair things like freezing, missing audio, playback errors, glitch, or anything that just won't allow the video to open. So the service works with videos recorded with smartphones, DSLR cameras, drones, GoPros, CCTV systems, and other devices. One of the main features is the ability to take a sample healthy video and then it kind of compares it to the broken file and fix in all the errors. And that's what we're going to do today. This is extremely accurate and a great repair technique for severely damaged files. So folks, everything we can tell is that this platform is secure, browser-based, and it automatically deletes uploaded files after processing. The company offers a free tier for smaller files and paid plans for larger videos and additional repairs. So are you ready? Let's go ahead and repair that video. We've got several files to work with, and I'm going to go ahead and pull it directly from my D drive, which is my SD card. Open up the movie file, and let's see if we can repair the corrupted file. All right, so the corrupted file is right here, and it's uploading accordingly. We'll just give it a minute to upload, and then hopefully we'll be able to upload a sample video, which is a working video from the same camera, so it can compare the files and see if it can repair it. And then ultimately, we're going to open that final repaired video. Now that that's uploaded, it says add a sample video to repair. We'll go ahead and add that. So we've uploaded the corrupt file. We are uploading a sample video. And we're going to go ahead and click that Start Repair. Very cool, right? So it's going to do all the work for us. So this uses the latest in AI technology to go ahead and repair those files automatically. And I'm letting it do that while we discuss. We preserve the original quality, resolution, time frame, bitrate, all that kind of stuff to make sure it looks good. And of course, it's secure and private. Your files are fixed in a secure environment on their private server, so you don't have to worry about where your video winds up. This is great for corrupt videos of any type. And yeah, you don't want to lose those memories. For me, losing video files is very important. 2016, I lost an entire hard drive. It still breaks my heart. So this is making a difference for me. I also want to point out this does a lot of other things. Corrupted and damaged videos, glitchy videos. Boy, we had that with some security cameras recently. Blurry videos, slugging playback, videos that can't play, and flickering videos. I know at one point I was using a video editing software that would cause the occasional glitch. So I love the fact that they can take AI and kind of look at the frames, figure out the glitch, and fix it for me. Now, the online, you can do up to 5 gigs, and you can download that desktop version for no size limits and no file limits. It's also very nice that you can do this online with practically any device. So as long as you can upload a file, it's doing the work for you, whether that's on your smart device, your tablet, your home device, whatever it may be, these guys have you covered. They also have an independent online trust score of 4.8 out of 5. So what does that tell you? That tells you that people trust the website and they've had good experiences. Again, over 5,300 reviews online, independently audited, and they are all stellar. And did I mention that the desktop software offers no file limit, unlimited batch videos to where you can do a whole bunch at once and save yourself time. You can repair locally and save, and you get free technical support. In addition, you can discover their full suite of tools: online video converters, online video cutters, online photo inverters, online photo repair, and online image resizer, all available on their website. We're going to put all that information in the description below. All right, so are you ready for the recovered file? It had success in recovering our file that I pulled out too quickly. This was when I was recording a video, so let's see what it looks like. There we go. And yes, it is a picture of my cat in front of that screen in the studio. I think I do have an adorable cat, but otherwise I would have lost this. Now think about that. Being able to recover files is hugely important. Imagine you're in a car accident, your dash cam gets smashed, the file is corrupted, and that's the evidence that shows that you aren't at fault. Let's imagine it's a birthday, your kid's sporting event. You want to recover those files. That's one easy way to do it. And just to show you, we also do have the original audio is recovered as well. Let me go ahead and click that. Frames per second. This has a dual lens system, making sure that you can... So yeah, folks, that is very important that everything was saved. What a smart technology. Of course, folks, we also have online photo repair. We are currently uploading a photo of my Grandpa McClelland. We can select what we're going to do. We have my repair list. And yes, let's check out some of the tools. And folks, let's go ahead and check out the photo repair tools as well. We're gonna go ahead and start repairing this picture of my Grandpa Alfred, and we're going to let the software do its magic. It's currently analyzing the photo, but yes, folks, this is all part of the online edition, and we are not afraid to click that upgrade button to go ahead and do even more. All right, only a few seconds later, it allowed us to download the file, and let's see the repaired picture of my Grandpa Alfred. This is him in World War II. I think he might have been in Europe at the time, and wow, it's able to save that photo for us. So of course, folks, this is just the tip of the iceberg of the capabilities of this program, of this company. So you can go ahead and get that online version. Trusted, 30 years of excellence. you can go ahead and get your desktop or online version. They've done a great job here. They've got so much data recovery software and capabilities. You're going to look through all of it because that will really save your day. Folks, my name is Adam. We're looking at the best products, the best programs, the best companies in the world, and this is truly the best of the best. You can trust them, and you can forget the rest. Thanks for watching. You know I love and appreciate you, but what are you waiting for? Check that information out in the description below. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos.